Hey guys, Ricardo at Phastek.com. We all know the Go Fast products that we offer are great and they fill that adrenaline rush that we're all looking for. One thing that we know here at Phastek is when it comes to stopping, it's a whole nother ball game. The folks at Baer know the stopping game pretty well, and since the 2010 Camaro came out, they have strived for improvement to get these cars stopped on a dime. Recently, they released their two-piece rotor design for the 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS that upped their game in the stopping world. These are the Eradispeed Rotors. Now these rotors are for our 2010 SS that I have sitting behind me, and we are going to pair it with a set of Hawk ceramic brake pads for that extra bite, some RST stainless steel brake lines to replace the factory rubber lines, and we're going to top it all off with Motul DOT 5.1 brake fluid. This combination should be good for anyone looking to improve their braking distance for the autocross course or even daily use. These rotors are a two-piece design that was made with the stock rotor diameter measurements and a curved vane ring mounted to a 6061 T6 billet aluminum center that mounts directly to the factory location. This means you are able to get a two-piece rotor while keeping your factory calipers, allowing you to get a better bite under hard braking conditions and not have to upgrade to a big brake kit. The Eradispeed rotors come cross-drilled and slotted with a zinc-plated finish. These are a direct replacement for your factory rotors that feature better cooling, reduced weight, and enhanced appearance. Installation is going to require us to remove the factory caliper by taking out the two caliper bolts on the backside. Once we have the caliper supported and out of the way, we can remove the retaining bolt holding the factory rotor in place. Now we can simply install the Eradispeed rotor, then slide the caliper back on and bolting it down. The Hawk pads will give us an improved bite over the factory pad and shorten our stopping distance at the same time. Installation for these pads is going to be a direct replacement for the factory pads as well. We will remove these pins from the caliper, they lock the pads in place. Once the pads are removed, we can compress the pistons and get them back to the fully compressed position so we can slide the new Hawk pads in place. While we are here, we are going to replace the factory rubber lines with a set of stainless steel lines from RST to prevent any brake fade that happens under a lot of heat. These lines will simply replace the factory lines, going right back in the same factory location with the new banjo bolt and crush washers. This process is repeated on all four corners, and once we get the brake system filled back up with some new Motul DOT 5.1 brake fluid, we can bleed our system and ensure that we have a good firm brake pedal. Now we can get the wheels and tires back on, then put our new brakes to the test. There you have it, guys. The Baer Eradispeed rotors are installed and paired with the Hawk ceramic brake pads and RST brake lines. Now with this combination, we're sure to get stopped on a dime. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.